Alright, welcome back everyone to another video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please do subscribe if you have not already. I really do appreciate it. Please do consider subscribing. Alright, so let's get right into it because tomorrow, October 18th, Monday, we are expected to see a potential for a Bitcoin futures ETF, which will just another step in legitimizing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other cryptocurrencies. Proshares is set to launch its ETF, futures trading ETF, starting tomorrow. Basically, as long as it's not blocked by the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, by tonight, then it should be on for tomorrow. And we shall see. I really do think that this will come, and it will be the first of many types of Bitcoin ETFs, because this Biden administration seems kind of both for and against Bitcoin in any kind of investment vehicle, but specifically Gary Gensler, the chair of the SEC, seems for it. I believe he taught a class or two about cryptocurrency while he was a professor, so he is about it in some way, shape, or form. Again, ProShares is the one that will be getting the possibility of propelling this into a real ETF, and we shall see if they are successful. I really do hope that this is a start of them, the U.S. government, actually allowing the Bitcoin ETFs, because as it says right here, the SEC in the past explicitly rejected Bitcoin ETF applications, but it doesn't need to formally approve one either. So you can just let it happen. It's just, will they try to stop it? And it doesn't sound like they will stop it. So anyway, I just had up a few articles about this, and what does it mean for investors specifically? Well, if you are an investor and you want to invest in Bitcoin futures, it's just an easier way to not specifically, not get your hands dirty, let's say, in owning Bitcoin, whether you agree with it or not. It's a great way to just, again, dip your toes in the water. By investing in an ETF, it will make it a lot easier to, try to own a piece of it if you don't really understand it. It gives you limited or smaller exposure than owning it outright, which would be really great. So the whole point of it is, why are these ETFs futures based? Well, these funds will not hold actual Bitcoins. Instead, they will deal in the Bitcoin futures. So it's just speculating. It's just basing it on the speculation without actually owning a Bitcoin itself, just expected volatility. A lot like the VIX, and how the VIX, you can buy the VIX, and that will, that's an indicator of volatility, specifically that you're hoping that volatility either goes up or down, and that's based on buying the VIX, buying or selling the VIX. So I really do hope that this is cleared, because it doesn't really seem like there would be any reason to hold it back other than just having the name Bitcoin in it. I really don't think that that's a reason enough to not put this into motion, but we shall see. Again, it's just another small step for legitimizing cryptocurrencies. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and please do subscribe.